Hi there, this is SaDeSign channel. Today let's try some advanced techniques that have subject selection, liquify, new brush, and so on. This effect is called dispersion. Stay tuned. First of all, we have to separate the model from the background. There are lots of tools in Photoshop can do that, like quick selection tool, select subject, or a pen tool. I already cut the model out of the background so it won't take you much time. Now duplicate the subject model by simply click and drag its layer to page icon below, or you can use shortcut Ctrl or Command J for Win or Mac. Hide the top layer, move to layer 1, go to Filter, Liquify. In here, make sure Forward Warp tool is selected, and warp the model like so. This determines the size of dispersion effect. Just take time to trace the subject. One side or both sides depend on you. Hit OK when you're done. Hold Alt while click on the layer mask to fill it with black. Turn back on top layer, then add layer mask to it by clicking to the layer mask icon at lower right corner. Next step, we'll create out of old brush. Zoom closer, pick up rectangular mercury tool and draw a small square shape while hold Shift. Then click to page icon to take this selection into new layer and fill it with black by pressing Alt or Option Delete. Before doing that, ensure foreground is in black. Head to Edit, define brush preset, place the name that's easy for you to reuse and confirm. Window, brush settings. We'll customize this brush in here. In brush tip shape, we'll form the brush about size, angle, roundness, and spacing. Let's increase size to 40 pixels and spacing to 270%. Move to Shape Dynamics. Follow the values at below. Size register 74%, minimum diameter 5%. Next is cluttering. Set scatter around 450%. Go back to brush tip shape. Increase the spacing even more. Then close the window. Let's see the brush that we just created. Use bracket on keyboard to increase or decrease brush size. It will save tons of your time. That's good. Let's delete the layer for now. We don't need it anymore. Choose white layer mask in top layer. Change black to foreground by click to the small arrow icon or press X. Adding the effect like so, make the subjects just like fade away. While painting, make sure not to use the same size brush. It doesn't look good if you keep using the same side. Keep changing brush size to create unique look. This is the reason why you should use bracket shortcut while painting. It's obviously convenient. Once you're done, move to black layer mask in second layer. This time we also brush, but with white in foreground to show the thread that we did at the beginning. This is cool effect, right? Just keep doing this until you're happy with the result. Create a new layer above layer 1, change blend mode from normal to color dodge. While you're using brush, hold Alt to change the cursor to eyedropper tool and we take the color sample of the area that we want, then release Alt and apply the color with brush. Keep doing this to mix colors. Change to hard line in blend mode. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, set radius around 1 pixel, and confirm. Change back to color dodge in blend mode after you blur it. We'll create a new layer to add another dispersion layer effect. Just spread the color as much as you want it to be. Apply blur effect to this layer as well. Then we'll add shadow to it. To do that, open blending option by clicking to FX icon and select blending option. Check to drop shadow, just slightly adjust the values in here. Opacity 5%, angle 146 degrees, distance 6 pixels, size 1 pixel. Okay, now we'll add more big squares around the subject to make some differences. Choose layer 1, pick up rectangular mercury tool, and draw square shapes with different sides around the model. Remember to hold shift when you want to draw another shape. And create new layer after that. Put this layer to the top and use Gaussian blur to blur these squares. Radius pixel at 3.5. Change blend mode to color dodge. Duplicate this layer with Ctrl or Command J and use Move tool to move it. Ctrl or Command T to resize and rotate it as well. Change to hard line in blend mode. When you're satisfied with the effect, let's add some adjustment in camera raw. Create stamp visual layer with Ctrl Alt Shift E or Command Option Shift E. Head to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, or using shortcut Ctrl or Command Shift A. Drop down effect menu, set the values at below. Vignetting -22, midpoint 3, roundness 100, feather 100, highlight 0, then OK. Alright, that's all techniques that you need to do for this dispersion effect. Hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit like, subscribe buttons to get more and more tips of Photoshop every day. Thank you and bye bye.